on to. You don't like it?
No.
Yeah. It's healthy bacon.
Sit. Welcome back, Futurama fans. Tonight we're gonna draw the Hollywood star Calculon from Futurama itself. In the year 3000, Calculon is a star and a very dependent robot that takes pride in his career. Bender plans on working as one of his allies. He even served as one of his boilers. Yeah, right. He's won a lot of awards in the past couple of days. I meant years. Only a retard would figure that out. Alexa, play Bite My Shiny Metal Ass.
Here's Bite My Shiny Metal Ass by Degenerated on Amazon Music.
Shut the hell up! Shut the hell up!
This guy debuted on the 20th Century Fox thing, even though this thing is nothing but a fake. There, that's how I draw a calculon. That's my final Futurama episode. Until next time, fight my shiny metal ass.